Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Thanks very much for joining us again today. I've got a very short video tutorial for you today that will show you how to see your email lists in Getresponse. So if you haven't tried Getresponse before, once you're done watching the video, you can click a link in the description down below that will take you through to a free trial version of the software, and that will allow you to utilize it for completely free and see what it's all about. It's very easy to see your email lists on Getresponse, and it is, it's one of those things, as soon as you know, you know. So under the contacts option on the main dashboard, the first thing that appears is lists, and there are your email lists. So you can create a list by hitting the little button there, and then you manage them by hovering over the three little dots on the right hand side there. And it is as simple as that. So that concludes the tutorial. Like I said, there's a link in the description down below that will take you through to a free trial version of Getresponse. If you've enjoyed the video and you want to see more content of this nature, give us a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you've got any suggestions or questions or anything like that, leave them as comments down below. Thank you very much.